So what is up people, welcome back to another video. My name is Shubh and you're on Unleashed Quality. So today's topic is going to be Rafale, the fighter jet that India has just received. So quickly let's go and get started. Is a little different and is about Rafale, and this was led by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, based on which India received 5 fighter jets yesterday. So if you guys don't know, Rafales are twin-engine fighter jets manufactured by Dassault Aviation in Paris, France. The deal was initially started in August 2007 and was approved by our then Defense Minister A.K. Antony to buy 126 aircraft. Rafale won the competition with the lowest bid against the global defense giants. From 126, it dropped to 36 Rafale jets in 2012 based on the discussions and negotiations. And these had to be in fight-ready condition. They had to be ready to be taken into war if needed. Now, why did India offer Rafale? How good is it? Let's go check out the specifications of Rafale that has arrived in India. Modern fighter jet known for its agility, speed, weapon holding capacity and attack capability. The Dassault Rafale has a delta wing design and is capable of G-forces as high as 11 G in case of emergency. The Rafale is available in both single and dual seating cabin. India ordered 28 single and 8 dual seater Rafale. The Rafale is 15.27 meter long and a wingspan of 10.80 meter. The empty weight of Rafale ranges from 9,900 kilograms to 10,600 kilograms, depending on the variant, and maximum takeoff weight of 24,500 kilograms. The Rafale is powered by two Snecma M88 engine, each capable of providing up to 50 kilonewtons, which is 11,000 pounds force of drive thrust, and 75 kilonewtons, which is 17,000 pounds force with afterburners. The engine pushed the Rafale to attain a high speed of 1.8 Mach, which is 1,912 kilometers per hour, and a range of more than 3,700 kilometers with 3 drop tanks. Imagine how deadly it is. Dassault has also loaded the Rafale with a Martin Baker Mark 16 F00 ejection seat, capable of operation at 0 speed and 0 altitude. In terms of weapons, the Rafale can be equipped with air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles and air-to-surface missiles along with the nuclear weapons. For avionics, the Rafale is also equipped with AESA radar, Spectra electronic warfare system and IRST system. Now let's talk about some Indian pride. The first ever Indian pilot to fly a Rafale is our Air Commodore Hilal Ahmed Rathar from Kashmir. What a pride that is, right? He has an impeccable record. He has impeccable record of 3,000 accident-free flying hours on Mirage 2000, MiG-21 and Kiran aircraft. Hilal's name will now forever be associated with Rafale in India, and this will go down in the history books forever. Whenever we talk about Rafale in India, we are definitely gonna remember this man. Vice President Mr. Giora Katz says it is a win-win situation to start manufacturing in India. They are going to soon start manufacturing in India and make the missiles in India. Rafale has already joined hands with 2 Indian companies, one being Bharat Forge of Kalyani Group and the other being Reliance Defense. Bharat Forge will be for the ground or land systems, ground weaponry, and Reliance would be for air missiles, air strikes. With Reliance, the joint venture was signed during the 2016 Defense Expo that was held in Goa. Talking about Bharat Forge, the company Kras Kalyani Rafale defense system has already received a $100 million missile kit order. For you guys, if you don't know, this company is based out in Telangana and is planning to place another unit of the organization in Hyderabad. This moment, this proud moment for all of us. That is all for today, guys. The ultimate test now for Rafale will be whether the Indian armed forces are happy or not with the technology and the mobility that Rafale has to offer. Reason being, the Indian armed forces are going to be the end user of this, right? Thank you for watching. Do like and comment and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is Shubh. Stay home, stay safe.